like that. So this is what square inch looks like. So it's 1 inch on all sides in this little cube. So for every little one of these square inches is 15 pounds of pressure. Isn't that a lot? Just for this little small area? Now imagine trying to cover your whole body with square inches. How many pounds of pressure would that be? A lot, right? It'd be a lot. So do you feel all that weight on you? You feel like you're being held down all the time? No? Yes? Yes? You do, right? Or no? Well, some of you may not feel all the pressure on top of you or all around because we're used to it. So when we were born, actually all the pressure been applied since we were babies. So you got used to it. That's kind of like wearing socks. Sometimes you may not remember that you're wearing socks until somebody may have mentioned it. That's the same thing with air pressure being applied to us all the time. So I'm actually going to start off with this. So this is a pad. Everyone can see this. Now this pad is about 11 inches by 11 inches, exactly actually. So